Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to make money with Sweat Wallet app walkthrough. So guys, first thing you will do is make sure you have the latest version of the application and then open the Sweat Wallet. And then from here guys, you're gonna log in with Sweat Coins. So guys, make sure you download the Sweat Coins as well. These are available on Google Play Store as well because Sweat Wallet and Sweat Coins goes together. And then guys, after that, this will be the homepage of the sweat coins. As you can see, when we do 1,000 steps, it will generate a one sweat coins. And if we scroll down below, guys, we will have here invite a friend in order for us to get 5 sweat coins. And we also have daily rewards, spin and win. And down below, they also have a daily 2 times boost, which is for 20 minutes every day. You can get double the amount of sweat coins from your step. And then you can just tap open 2 times boost down below. And then as you can see, guys, you will have here 4 icons. The first one is the shop. From here, you will have multiple options to shop in their application. And then next up, we have the wallet. And then as you can see here, we have the balance and we have the earning summary of the day. And next up, we have the socials. So over here, we have the clubs. These are different clubs that you can join in or participate with. And next up, we have the activities. So from here, guys, they will have a challenges. And then as you can see, you will earn 250 coins for a 50k steps. And next up, we have the friends. So from here, you can compete with your friends. So now, guys, let's jump into the sweet economy. And as you can see, guys, it is not worth a lot right now. And maybe in the future, it can be worth more. But guys, I think this sweat coins is a great way to earn a little bit of money because guys, this application can run in the background while you are using your phone or while your phone is locked. And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.